Thanks for joining us today. The topic of discussion, Arri light kits. First things first, the Arri light kit is going to come in a silver case. Inside this silver case are 4 separate Arri lights. 2 300-watt Arri Fresnel lights and 2 600-watt Arri lights. Also in your light kit you'll find lighting stands. Naturally there are 4, each one to go along with the corresponding light. Now we'll move on to an actual Arri light. The first thing that you should note is that this Arri light has barn doors attached to it. In order to remove those barn doors, you'll need to locate the clamp that's at the very top of the light, gently squeeze and lift towards you while twisting. You'll notice doing this allows the barn doors to freely slide out of the light fixture. Now we are left with just the Arri light itself. It may be worth it to take the time to see what it really looks like. Now for the fun part, testing the Arri light. This is a necessary step that you must take every time someone checks back in the lights. This must be done in order to maintain equipment integrity between uses. As with any electrical appliance, the first thing you want to do is find the plug it into the outlet. Simple enough. But wait, the light is not on. That's because we have not yet taken the final step in testing the Arri light. Next, you want to find the actual power switch. It's housed along the power cord of the Arri light, and honestly, it's pretty easy to find. Once you locate it, you want to turn the switch into the on position. This will naturally turn on the Arri light. You can do it multiple times just to ensure that the bulb is in fact working and that it has not blown out. If a student turns back in a light and it does not work, they will be responsible for a replacement bulb. The only way to not incur a fee for a new bulb is if the student brings back the actual blown bulb. We're just about done, but the last thing worth noting is how to reattach the barn doors. It's the exact opposite of what we did to take them off. This is also the same process for inserting and removing scrims. Scrims are the last thing you're going to want to check for when checking in a light kit. There should be 2 with a red ring around it, 2 with a green ring around it, as well as 1 more with a black ring around it. So just to recap, a complete Arri kit will be inside a silver case, have 2 300-watt Arri Fresnel lights, 2 600-watt Arri lights, 4 light stands, and 5 scrims.